you for your time, and I'm Phong. So in this 5 minutes, I would like to show you how PCI, the PreClaim Insights, reveal the clinical risks hidden inside the outpatient pharmacy claims before your team pays. So we also see a short demo, but remember, your medical advisors always make the final decision. PCI just only illuminates the evidence. So when a clinic submits an outpatient claim, you also see the diagnosis codes, drug names, quantities, and price. On the paper, they look complete, but what you don't see actually without the medical advisor reading every document is whether the prescription clinically belongs to that diagnosis, patient context, like dangerous combinations, contraindications, dosing that doesn't fit to renal status. But that gap sits hidden until an audit disputes are lost. So in Southeast Asia, we can see that 10 to 15% of claims payout involve fraud, waste, and abuse. So PCI was built to review it before payout. So PCI sits between the claim submission and payout. So it does not approve or deny. So your adjudicator or medical advisor will be the one who make the decision. So in under 30 seconds, PCI will return one of three verdicts. As you see here, clean, query, and review. So for the clean, it's very obvious. There's no clinical flags, high confidence, and the adjudicator can forward this claim directly to the payment team. For the query, it has some unclear, some information that the adjudicator need to confirm with the clinic before the claim is submitted. So the last one is the review. So in the review, that means that the claim has some issue about the contraindication or any unknown, and that is not make sense in terms of technical, medical, and as well as the finance. So that's why we need the medical advisor jump in and look it closely. So the verdict is deterministic. So the rules decide. AI only writes explanation. So every finding is auditable. So and you can see here we have the flow like from claim, PCI, MedMind. So under the hood, we have MedMind. So MedMind look like a brand of the system, whereas it is built from the certified and official information from Ministry of Health, like YouTube or the document, and is also enriched by the certified international language. So this one is not the US based rule engine knowledge and then translate into Vietnamese. It's actually built from the information within Vietnam. Okay, so I would like to show you a short demo about 3 cases, how it works at the adjudicator. And this is the dashboard show the situation. So in this one you can create a new claims. There's 2 ways for you to create a new claim. For the first case, we have the data here. We have a patient has the problem with her health, about her throat, and this is a prescription. We can use the AI to parse this content. and it will automatically fill in the structure form, and in the structure form here you can see the detail. Now I submit it. Okay, so first one is very clean, so you can see here is have all the documents or evidence, and it also have the cover result and findings. So you can see here this is the for the claims, so very obvious, and I think this one we can forward to the payment team here. So I have another one very obvious. So in this one you see this one he has the fiber and some fatty liver, and but you can see here we have the probiotic and supplement. So what would it be? So firstly I pass it, and then I submit it for review. Oh, so this is the query, and it say that hold the claim, and it explain the things why it hold, and we can see here why it's skip and the clinical finding. Okay, so in this one it say that Bacillus glauci could be the probiotic, and the QA alipro could be the supplement because it's not in the MedMind, and it should be query. Okay, and I will move to the next one. We have the hypertension, diabetes type 2, and pass it. Okay, look good, and now we submit for review. Oh, so this is the red alert. So because this is the for the adjudicator, so it's in the adjudicator action, so you can see here, and it's also have the version for the medical advice. So now I will log in at the medical advisor. Okay, and we also have the dashboard, and we now will pick up the review. So this one is for the medical advisor. It uses a different language with the adjudicator. So this one is will recommend action, it rejects urgent clinical intervention. So it will explain in a medical way. For the hackathon, everyone will chase hunt for the prize, but for this project I would like to go further. So I would like to chase for 90-day pilot proposal. So we can run through 500 normalized outpatient pharmacy claims. Like we can use the old claim in 2025 or 24. So for the integration, so we don't need to plug into the production integration. Just call it. We just work on the file or API batch, and then we compare the findings with the medical advisor's decisions. And I hope that the expectation is that success is about more than 90% agreement and less than 2% false negative, and the execution time should be less than 30 seconds for specific claims. Okay, thank you for your time, and If you have any questions, please let me know in the demo day.